Stay stitch the upper edge of front 1 and back 2 pieces, found in Sewing Directions Step 1. Stay stitching is a permanent stitch with regular length but no back stitching. It is intended to prevent stretching on curved edges. Stay stitching is sewn 1/2 inch from the raw edge. This stitching is sewn from the outside toward the center of the garment. Follow the arrows to sew the stay stitching in the correct direction for each piece. Create the darts on skirt front piece, matching dots and lines, following Sewing Directions Step 2. Darts are shaping devices used in garments to decrease the amount of fabric from a larger area to a smaller area. Begin by bringing the right sides of the fabric together, matching the dots and the lines. Place a pin through each dot, then a third in the middle to hold the dot securely in place while sewing. Press the dart after pinning to help set the fabric in that shape. Be sure to check that your iron is set to an appropriate temperature for your fabric by testing it on a piece of scrap fabric first. Sew along the dart line, backstitching at the top, or the widest part, using a regular stitch length of 2.5. About 1/4 inch from the end of the dot, switch to a stitch length of 1 and begin to fade stitches off to the end point, sewing the last 3 stitches on the very edge of the fabric, using the hand wheel for accuracy. Pull the fabric from the machine, leaving long threads. Tie the threads 2 to 3 times securely to knot the ends. Clip the remaining threads, leaving short tails behind. Press the darts flat first to set the stitches. Then you will press them towards the center of the garment. When pressing darts to the center, pull up slightly at the dart point to press and blend the stitches at the end of the dart with the flat fabric. This, in addition to the faded stitches at the end, will ensure there is no bubble in your dart. Repeat the dart making process again, creating darts on skirt back pieces, matching dots and lines, as found in Sewing Directions Step 13, the first sentence of the paragraph.